Hey everyone, it is Sparkle and welcome back to my channel. Today I will be painting, and this is the area that I will be painting, starting off in the living room, that wall, and it wraps into the dining room area, my counter space. So this is where I will be painting. Also, here are my supplies, my paint supplies, excuse me. Everything is from Home Depot. I'm ready to go, y'all. I'm ready to go. I got my paint edger, my paint pans, my paint kit, everything. This is a 6-piece paint kit. This is from Home Depot. It was no more than $12. And I also have my plastic laid down. So I'm going to place everything on top of the plastic. That way I won't make a mess. And this clear tray also came with the kit. So I'm just going to sit the tray inside of the metal tray and start off by opening up my paint. And wait until you guys see the color, because I love this color. Finally, you guys will see the beautiful color that I'm using. And I'm so excited. Here it is. Yes, it is blue. This paint color is called Silver Blueberry. If you are an old subscriber of mine, then you've already known that I've used this color before in my dining room area. But first thing you want to do when you open up your paint, y'all, is stir it up like I'm doing. You have to stir it up. And then I'm just going to pour it into the paint tray, just like that. Not pouring all of it, but because I don't need all of it, even though I did buy 2 gallons. So, yeah. So now I have 1.5 gallons left that I will not be using. But let me start off by opening up the roller. And I'll use that in a few seconds. First thing I'm going to do is use my angle paintbrush, then the roller. Just like that. Now, I will say last year in April, I did paint this area. I painted my living room and my dining area, and I used the paint color Ultra White. That's what you see right here. And it was a satin finish. So, I will have to put a second coat of paint on top of that because the white does seep through. You will see that later on in the video, but yeah, just thought I'd share that with y'all. Now this blue color paint, I got it in a matte finish. Yeah, I got it in a matte finish. So yeah, I would definitely have to put a second coat of paint on top of that. And you will see as, you know, as the video goes on. But I love this color, y'all. I love it. And at my old apartment, it was really pretty, but it just didn't do it any justice because it was so dark in that apartment, and I did not have a lot of light coming in, not a lot of natural light. And I think this time it's going to look nice with all the natural light coming in. So I'm so excited to see how it turns out. So this is the part where I'm going to use my paint edger. This does come in handy. Now, I'm not a professional, so it's never perfect, but like I said, it comes in handy.
Told you so extra, but I know I'm the same. Love me in spite of my trauma. Give me what I need instead of the drama. Cause when it pop off, it's like, oh my. All good all day, but the night we be going so hard on the flip side. So tell me what we on a day, babe. I could keep that same energy. When you go low, I go low too. But you'd rather stay high, I know you. Can we stay high, babe? I'd rather be on that way. Tryna control our emotions. If we on the right side of passion, we could share love in the ocean. But if you wanna go insane, either way, baby, calls go to voicemail. I block you so I don't raise hell. Should've talked through it in detail. Our separate ways ain't gon' end well, no. But when we get back, it's like, oh my. All bad all day, but the night time get that good till we act right. So tell me what we on today, babe. I could keep that same energy. When you go low, I go low too. But you'd rather stay high, I know you. Can we stay high, babe? I'd rather be on that wave, tryna control our emotions. If we on the right side of passion, we could share love in the ocean. But if you wanna go insane either way, baby, we could go on. We could do it all night. We could go all night, all night. Do we heal, do we bleed? I'ma follow your lead. We could go all night.
I've been calm, cool, collected, but you pushing on my nerves. And I know in your intention, I'm under pressure. Okay, I'm admitting that a couple things I said got acidic in the tone. In the presence, I get careless. Long as you know I come with imperfections. When you look at me, you see the soul through my flesh. You something special. Know you looking bomb, the way you dress it, gone flex it, hold it still and let my mind digest. You got the leverage, you got the upper handle on the situation. You worthy of a million more of the storms that we weathered. We fight retreating this, but you trying to kill the cycle. When nobody's stressing that body like me, I know the way you like it. I treat you like a queen, run the castle, you a treasure. Feel like you setting fire to my desire for the pleasure. You a gem, got me blameless, make amends, know you can, I'm out here
tryna control our emotions. If we on the right side of passion, we can share love in the ocean. But if you wanna go insane either way, baby, we could go on. We could do it all night. We could go all night. Do we heal, do we bleed? I'ma follow your lead, but we could go all night.
All right, so this is the overall look. So yeah, I've had this color before and I really love it, but I see that I am going to have to put a second coat on top of this because the white is seeping through, as you can see. And the reason why the white is seeping through because the last time I painted, the white color that I used was a satin finish. So yeah, so that's why it's seeping through like that. So yeah, I just have to put another coat on that. I'll probably do that tomorrow because I am really tired. And yeah, but that's the overall look, y'all. And like I said, once I put a second coat on top of it, then yeah, then it will look much better. And right now it's late. What time is it, y'all? It's 1:49, 1:50 in the morning, almost 2 o'clock in the morning. So yeah, and plus I think the paint needs to dry some more. So when I get up in the morning, I'll see how it looks. But like I said, look, you see, I don't know if you can see if it's picking up, but yeah, like the white is seeping through. So yeah, I'm just gonna put another coat on top of that and even up there, you know. But that is it. Yeah, so that's it, y'all. Whew, I'm tired. I don't know why. I mean, I waited so late to do it, but it's done. Well, not all the way done, but yeah. So once I, you know, put the second coat on there, because my son is supposed to come and get the TV. The TV will not be going back over there because I am going to get a new one. I really want like a smaller one. So what I'll do is I'll put the glass TV stand. Y'all know the one I was using for a coffee table. I will just sit that over here but I need to put the second coat of paint on there first before I do that. Yeah, and because I know I want to get a smaller TV. I am going to get a smaller TV. So when I buy the smaller TV, I'll probably just sit it on that TV stand for now, because I'm still trying to decide if I want to hang it up on a wall or not. You know what I mean? Because once it's up on a wall, then that means it will not, you know what I mean? Like, it'll have to stay up there. And I like to change my mind a lot. So that's why I was saying, I don't know if I want to put it on a wall. I did see like I guess you could say like a wall unit that I do want to put the TV on. So yeah, so that's what, you know, I'm trying to see what I'm gonna do. But that is it, y'all. It is your girl Sparkle, and if you are new to my channel, welcome. And if you have not subscribed, please hit the subscribe button down below. And like I said, y'all, I'm gonna put that second coat of paint on. I'm not gonna film that because, child, I'm just not gonna film that. But thank you guys for tuning in, and please hit the like button, the thumbs up, and also share my videos. And I will see y'all in the next video. Thank you for watching.